Hi guys, we wanted to introduce to you our new line of, it's kind of like a faux finish plaster coatings, and it's called 24/7 Venezia, and there's a bunch of different finishes that are going to be available. They're basically 1 and 2 coat applications which are done on top of a base. You either have a white base, this one in particular is done in a black base, or you have the option of the white base, and then you go on top with different types of metallic products or just different types of faux techniques. This is all coming from the same company where we buy our fine marmerino. It's actually going to be geared more for faux finishers, or basically anybody that's looking to save on labor time, because you're basically doing 1 coat as a base coat, and then you're coming on top with a top coat. My mom saw this line and she freaked out because she's been a faux finisher for over 20 years, and the thing that impressed upon her about this line was that she said it had open drying time. Instead of, doing a big wall, and then instead of the fear of worrying about you're going to get those harsh veins, the way that you do this application for these different products, that's not going to be a worry for you, because you're going to have open drying time. And she thought that was really cool. We're also going to be going to the Faux Expo in Orlando in September. But this whole product line is all coming in a container from Europe, and it's going to be available in September 2011. Just email us or call us if you have any questions.